Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Are you serious? Babe, you see this, right?
Yeah, it's called burp farts. Clouds. Burp comes from my dad's and my ears. See me? You should look at a turn signal, man.
All right, buddy.
You okay?
Yeah. He's been through enough. And when I showed her the dick, she's like, okay. I was like, you're really not mad about it, you know? I was like, it's a Mother's Day post, you know? It's from your kid's heart, you know?
Es lo que pasa, mira, se me meten de este lado. Why not driving for this side?
Get on your side of the road. Get on your side of the road, stupid! How come? 这些人都是
Okay, keep your eye on the truck on the far left. He hits a bump there where they're repaving the road, and the ball pops off, so the trailer goes down. Luckily, he had his chains, and the guy in the Infinity, the black Infinity ahead of me, moved off to the right because he saw the sparks from underneath the trailer, from that cement mixer that started dragging. So, luckily, in a few seconds, he gets back over to the left and tells the guy, hey, it's dragging. So he decides to get off the road, and he hits the high curb there, and it starts losing control. I thought, oh man, this guy's going to go into traffic accidentally. But luckily he straightened it out. Just a reminder to stay safe out there, everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
我有條嘅。
冇。
我頂你啊！
The f are you doing? What the hell?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.